Hi children, now let's continue the chapter linear equations in one variable in part 8. We are going to solve equations where we are having variables on both the sides of the equations. Here's an example. 4x minus 5 is equal to 2 into x minus 1 plus 7. To start with, I have to remove this bracket. To remove it, I have to multiply by 2 with both these x as well as 1. So we get 4x minus 5 as it is equal to 2x minus 2. Here students will make error. They will write 1 here without multiplying with this 2. So be careful. We are not very near to you. So you should be very careful. The remaining plus 7 I have written as it is. Now if I simplify 4x minus 5 as it is, 2x as it is, this minus 2 and plus 7, we will get plus 5. Different sign subtract and bigger number sign. And I have to transpose this 2x to right hand side and this minus 5 to left hand side. Sorry, left hand side and this to right hand side. So it will become minus 2x here and this minus 5 will come to this side as plus 5 and this to this side. Hope it is clear. 4 minus 2x is 2x. What is 5 plus 5? 10. So x is equal to 10. This is in multiplication. So how it will be transposed to this side? 10 divided by 2. So what will you get? 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So x is equal to 5 is the solution. Always it's a very good habit to check whether the solution is the right solution. To check, I have to substitute the value x is equal to 5. We got the solution as 5. So 5 in both the sides of this equation. What is there in LHS? 4x minus 5. In the place of x, I have to substitute the value 5. So I will write 4 as it is. In the place of x, I will write 5. It means it has to be multiplied. Here the relationship between 4 and x is multiplication. So I have to multiply. This minus 5 I have written as it is. So 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 5 is 15. So I got the value of LHS to be 15. Similarly, I have to find the value for RHS because the definition of solution is the value of that variable that satisfies the equation is called the solution. What does mean by satisfying the equation? When the value is substituted in LHS as well as in RHS, both the side the answer should be equal. So when I tried with LHS, left hand side, I got the answer to be 15. Now I have to substitute the value of x is equal to 5 in RHS. So in RHS, we have 2 into x minus 1 plus 7, which is equal to 2 I have written as it is. In the place of x, I have to write 5 minus 1 plus 7. So as usual, here we did no multiplication with both the terms. Again, you will think you have to multiply with both. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Very good, that's right. But you are touching the nose by rounding up. No need to that. You can simplify these two. These two are numbers. We know to simplify. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 2 4s are 8. Here we don't know the value of x. So I cannot subtract x and 1. That's why we multiplied with this. Even if you do this way also, it's right. See here, as you said, 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2 minus 2. So what is 10 minus 2? 8. Isn't it? So I also got here also 8. 2 4s are 8. Both the ways it is right. But it is smart if you simplify and then multiply. 8 plus 7 is 15. Here I got LHS value and RHS value to be equal. So the solution x is equal to 5 is right. Okay children, make it a habit to always check whether your solution is right or wrong. Okay, shall we move to the next question? Are you all ready? Dear children, if you practice well and if you are sure and if you are confident in solving any kind of equation in one variable, you can crack out any problem in class 8. So make up your mind to be thorough with this chapter and also algebraic expression. Okay, these are the abstract for whole mathematics. If the one is thorough with this abstract, they can apply it in any field. Okay, all the applied fields are like statistics, measurement, coordinate geometry, everything's are application of this algebra only. In every chapter we will come across x and y's. So be thorough with this solving equations. Here the next question is, see here, x is equal to 4 by 5, x plus 10. Immediately what strikes our mind is, to remove the bracket, I have to multiply this 4 by 5 with x as well as 10. Isn't it, my dear children? Did anyone get some other idea other than this? Hope one or two would have got it. The best way is to transpose this 5 to left hand side to make our calculation simpler. If I do this way, I will get fractions. Isn't it? I have to do cross multiplication or LCM. All such things are necessary. But if I transpose this 5, what will happen? It is in division here. See here, it is permitted only if it is in multiplication like this. Otherwise, you cannot transpose here. If it is 4 by 5 plus x, no, you should not transpose 5 alone there. At that situation, you will transpose 4 by 5 to this left hand side minus 4. There is no need of doing that. It's waste of time. Is it clear? It is in multiplication. That is 4 by 5 is in multiplication. Or otherwise I can say this 5 is in division with this whole term. What is the whole term? 4 into x plus 10. So this whole term, this 5 is in denominator. So it has to be transposed to the multiplication. So we get 5x is equal to 4 into x plus 10. Hope it is clear, my dear children. This will be easier. Instead of multiplying 4 by 5 into x, 4 by 5 into 10, even that method is also try. You can try and check whether you get the same answer. Surely you should get the same answer. Now again the same rule, 4x and 4 into 10 is 40. Now I have to transpose this 4x to this left hand side. I get 5x minus 4x, which is equal to plus 40. What is 5x minus 4x? 1x, which is nothing but x, which is equal to 40. Now what's the solution? X is equal to 40. I have to check whether it satisfies this equation. Immediately LHS is 40. There is nothing to substitute and simplify. LHS is 40. Now what is there in RHS? I have 4 by 5 into x plus 10. In this RHS, I have to substitute the value of x is equal to 40. 4 by 5 as it is. In the place of x, I have placed 40. This has become 40 and this is 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. I'm cancelling this. 1 5 is 5. 10 5s are 50. What is 4 10s are? 40. It is multiplication now. This bracket symbolizes multiplication. So 4 10s are 40. See, I got LHS also 40, RHS also 40. So my solution is right. Now the next question is, every problems is moving up in their difficulty order. Okay. Now how to simplify this equation? I have variable x in both the side and also constants on both the side. What shall we do? Shall we cross multiply here in left hand side and right hand side? Because in fraction we have to do that cross multiplication method to do addition. Isn't it? Will that be easy? Or shall I transpose the term that has x to one side? Yes, children, I am going to do that way only. So, I am transposing the 7x to left hand side. So, I got 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15. And this plus 1 is transposed to right hand side as minus 1. See, I have here. So, what is 3 minus 1? 2. Now, you can check this 15 is a multiple of 3. So LCM will be 15 only. So I have wrote 15. What should be multiplied by 3 to get 15? Yes, it is 5. So I am going to multiply this numerator also with 5. So what is 2 5s are? 10. 10x minus, here we have already 15. What is there in LCM? So 15 ones are 15. So here also we will multiply with 1 and we will get the same 7x. What is 10x minus 7x? 3x. By 15 as it is equal to 2 as it is. Now you know it is very simple equation. Here it is in multiplication this one. When it comes to this side, it comes as a reciprocal. 3 by 15, here 15 by 3. Now, I cancel and then multiply. Here also you can cancel and then transpose it. Both are right. See, 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15. You will get 5 in the denominator, it get transposed to the side. So you will get 2 5s are 10. See, here also I have 2 5s are 10. In both the ways you can do. Okay. So 10 is the solution. Do you understand, my dear children? Cancel it, transpose this 5 to this side, you get. If you have forgotten to cancel it, you have to transpose the whole fraction as a reciprocal in the right hand side. So anyhow, our answer is unique. 10 is the answer. Now let's check whether it satisfies the equation 2x by 3 plus 1 in LHS. In the place of x alone, I have substituted 10. All other 2, 3 plus 1, everything as it is. What is 2 tens are? 20 by 3 plus 1. Here to add fractions, we go in for cross multiplication method. 1 20s are 20, 1 3s are 3. So 20 plus 3 divided by 1 3s are 3. This is how we multiply in fraction. So 23 by 3 is the value of LHS. What about RHS? 7 into x. This is what is there in RHS. I have written as it is here. 7x by 15 plus 3. In the place of x, I have substituted 10. 7 into 10 is 70 by 15 into 3. Again, we have denominator cross multiplication. 70 into 1, 70 plus 3 15s are 45. So we will get 70 plus 45. What is 70 plus 45? 115. That's what I have written here. And are they both equal? No. So do you say this solution is wrong? Be careful, children. You have to simplify this. See here. 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 3 5s are 15. So again I got 23 by 3. Both LHS and RHS are equal. So the solution is right. Don't stop in between and be thinking what to do or my solution is wrong. Not like that. Simplify to the maximum. Okay. Okay, children. Now the next question is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. I have transposed this 5m to this left hand side. I got 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. 3m minus 5m is minus 2m. Why minus 2m? Bigger number sign. 5 is bigger number. So minus sign. Minus 2m is equal to minus. Here this 2 gets cancelled. Minus minus cancel. It means divided by minus on both sides. I am dividing by minus on both sides. So m is equal to this get transposed to denominator. So 8 by 10 is the solution. And we have to check whether this is the right solution or not. How to check? LHS is 3 into m. What is m? 8 by 10. Can I simplify 8 and 10? Yes, my dear children, I have to simplify. 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. So the value of m is 4 by 5. So I have to substitute here 4 by 5. So what is LHS? 4 3s are 12 by 5. I cannot simplify here. Both the numbers are not factors of any common number. Okay. Now what about RHS? I have 5m. What is m? 4 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. Can I cancel this 5 and 5? Yes. So what will I get? 4 minus 8 by 5. 4 minus 8 by 5. Now what should I do? I have to do cross multiplication. So if I do, I will get 4 5s are 20. Here I have in the denominator 1. So 1 8s are 8 minus 8 because I have the operation minus and divided by 1 5s are 5. What is 20 minus 8? 12. 12 by 5. See, I got LHS also 12 by 5. So both the answers LHS and RHS are equal. Hence the solution 4 by 5 is the right answer. Right solution. Okay, children. And this is the end of today's video. Try to complete the exercise 2.3. Try to solve as many equations as possible where we have variables on both the sides of the equation. And today's objective is just to solve equation with variables on both the sides of the equation. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.